Hi students, Namaskaram. Now we are discussing our second practical problem in the chapter Assessment of Fame. A, B and C are partners of a firm with equal shares. The profit and loss account for the year ended 31st March 2020 shows a net profit of rupees 99,750 after debiting the following as per date. First, salaries rupees 20,000 and rupees 15,000 to A and B respectively. Bonus to C rupees 15,000. Rupees 5,000 for interest on capital to A, calculated at 20% per annum. Fourth point, rupees 10,000 for rent of business premises paid to B. Fifth point, commission rupees 5,000 to C. Compute total income of firm, assuming all partners are working partners. Solution. We are given the net profit rupees 99,750 after debiting the following as per date. We have to note one point here that all payments to partners are as per date and net profit after debiting the following items is rupees 99,750. For the computation of business income, take the net profit of rupees 99,750 as base. Net profit as per profit loss account 99,750. We are given salaries rupees 20,000 and 15,000 to A and B respectively. All remuneration includes salary, bonus, commission, etc. are to be added with net profit to find out book profit. Therefore, add salaries to partners A 20,000, B 15,000, total 35,000, salary to A and B 35,000. Bonus to C. It is also remuneration to partners. Add it with the net profit. Bonus to C rupees 15,000. Rupees 5,000 for interest on capital to A, calculated at 20%. In the beginning of the problem, we had seen all these payments are as per date. Then we can say this interest on capital is paid to A is as per date. Therefore, excess of 12% is to be added back with the net profit. Excess of 12% is to be added back with the net profit. 5,000 being 20%. Then excess of 12% being 5,000 into 8 by 20. Interest on capital in excess of 12% per annum because it is as per date. 5,000 into 8 by 20 rupees 2,000. Fourth point, rupees 10,000 for rent of business premises paid to B. Here, one point to be noted that the rent is paid to a partner, is not in a position of partner but in a position of landlord. The partner received such rent, not in a position of a partner but in the position of a landlord or the house owner, the owner of premises. Therefore, the rent paid or payable to a partner is fully deductible while computing the business income of a firm. So, nothing is to be adjusted. Fifth point, commission rupees 5,000 to C. Commission is a part of remuneration and it is to be added back with the net profit. Commission to C. Now we get book profit 1,56,750. From this book profit, we have to deduct the deduction under section 40B in respect of remuneration to working partners as per date. Deduction in respect of remuneration to working partners as per date. In this problem, it is clearly stated that all partners are working partners and all payments to partners are as per date. In the beginning of the problem, we can see All payments to partners are as per deed, and at the end of the problem we can see all are working partners. Then actual remuneration: salary to A and B rupees 35,000, bonus to C rupees 15,000, commission to C rupees 5,000, total remuneration rupees 55,000. It is the total remuneration to working partners as per deed. Then compute maximum limit. Here book profit is less than rupees 3 lakh. Therefore, maximum limit is equal to 90% of book profit, that is 1,56,750 into 90%, 1,41,075, or rupees 1,50,000, whichever is higher. It is the maximum limit. We can say the highest amount is rupees 1,50,000. Therefore, actual remuneration to working partners as per deed rupees 55,000. Maximum limit under section 40B 1,50,000, whichever is lesser. Therefore, admissible deduction is rupees 55,000 in respect of remuneration to partners. Actual remuneration rupees 55,000 or maximum limit under section 40B 1,50,000, whichever is lesser. Therefore, deductible amount is rupees 55,000. Deduct it, we get business income. In this problem, there is no other incomes, there is no deductions, and therefore this business income is equal to total income. Therefore, our total income is equal to 1,01,750. So, thank you.